In this Zoom tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can host a meeting on Zoom, and this is actually quite simple to do. So if you just follow along, you should be able to start hosting your own meetings on Zoom. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm on zoom.us, which is their website. I'm already signed into my account. You want to make sure to do that as well. If you're not signed in already, you should be able to sign in by clicking on login or whatever it says in the top right corner. Once you're signed in, you should be able to find host a meeting right there. You can then choose to host a meeting with video off, video on, or screen share only. I'm going to go into a meeting with the video off. You then want to click on open Zoom meetings. You can also download the app, which you can then use to do that. I'm not going to do that for now, and there we go. So we've just set up our own meeting. So this is now our meeting, but we're the only ones in the meeting, right? But you actually want to invite other people so that they can join the meeting and so that you can start. So for that, you'll find your invite link over here. You can copy that link. I just copied it to my clipboard. You can then share that to your colleagues or friends or whoever needs to join the meeting, and they will then end up in the Zoom meeting. For that, you want to go to participants. They will then show up right there. You then have to accept them, and they will then be entered in the Zoom meeting. Further, you can also join audio. You can use video still. You can share a screen, invite others. There's a ton of stuff you can do. I also have some tutorials on that. You can check them out on the channel. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can join. How you can host a meeting on Zoom. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.